kind of digging in deep.
Yeah, there's a lot more than half and half, I think. Yeah.
All right, so we just got home from work. Another day after that other video thing, and we just put brakes on that RM. Hopefully they work. We changed the master cylinder on the handlebars, bled the brakes, bled the rear. Seems to kind of have brakes, but Nathan's out testing it right now, so we will know. Locked up, that's cool. Oh yeah. Seems good. Seems pretty good. Guess the clutch is weird. Clutch a little weird?
Yeah, that's the only thing. I don't know. The back brake seems to be working really good. The front one,
Yeah.
It's getting really tighter. It's just like you really got to pull it to get anything.
Well, the front end's dropping significantly when you pull it. So.
Well, that's it. I don't know if it's just, I don't know. I don't know if it's just because I'm used to the other one. I don't know if the other one's like push more maybe. But like it's not bottoming out or anything. It's just like you really just got to force it to actually get to.
Well, maybe the pads are crap.
Yeah, they probably dry rotted or something.
Yeah. Cool.
Sweet. Yeah, the clutch feels really weird. I don't know what it is. Cable maybe or something?
Two-stroke. It's got no torque.
Yeah, the clutch. Oh. No, I don't know. It seems like it's just like the clutch is like jumpy. Okay.
Victory.
Yeah, brakes work.
Cool.
So, I don't know. I guess it's ready to ride kind of thing. So.
Yeah.
Other than that, I don't know what to do about the clutch. Just ride it till it breaks in, I guess.
Yeah. Might be. Yeah. Not right now. Still got flip-flops on. Okay.
I just pulled it and it went whoop. And it like touched the bar.
Oh.
Watch this though.
Yeah, cool. Oh dear. It's your first time? Good morning. We're out here on the compound, first thing in the morning, Friday morning, trying to get stuff done. As you can see, there's a lot of wood to burn. It's not bad. So, what's the plan today? Just burn everything?
Yeah, burn everything, cut the rest of the firewood up, I think, and see how long it takes, I guess, to keep piling the wood on the fire. And just hang out.
Yeah. So we were gonna put all this through the chipper, but we had a little problem last week where the blades weren't exactly up to par. And so maybe we're just gonna burn it all. We're gonna start by lighting this. That's a huge pile of stumps and roots, a bunch of ugly stuff, just like this.
Keep heating that fire over there, it's not too bad.
Yeah. Maybe the big logs on the top we can save for when we have people over.
Yeah, well, it's something that's gonna burn a little nicer.
That's
not
it.
Just like go up and disappear.
Party style firewood. Yeah, there's lots in there. Okay, yeah, so we'll fire it up and I guess just start picking through. And
yeah, at the same time, like when we cut those up, we'll just take the branches right away, put them right on the fire.
Right.
And
yeah, those are big. That's the last pile we got to get.
yeah,
A couple cord of firewood in there, and yeah.
after that, all the big cutting's done. So
Adventure time.
yeah, exactly.
Come on, grab a friend. We got work to do. Time to light the fire. Uh-oh. Water plane. See if he makes it. Please. Oh, whoa. Stuck on the hitch. Stuck on the hitch. Or on the jack, I mean. Nah, I told him to put it in 4x4, but I don't think he listened.
It's about to make its way through.
Oh, just go faster. Hey, not doing it. Worst case is on video.
Watch the jack.
Okay, I don't know how to go on this side. Can't see nothing.
I'll go.
Okay. Ah, 4. Good. You're kind of digging in deep, but keep going a little bit. Okay, you're clear, I think. Yeah, looks pretty clear. Yeah, he made a little bridge there, but. Uh-oh! Now let's see if he made it wide. Oh yeah, he made it wide enough on that side. Yeah, he could have made it a little wider. Okay, see you soon.
That wasn't too bad.
Nope.
I don't think. I didn't really see much of it.
Well, it just kind of was like a plow for a field. Just cut through it.
Perfect. Dude, I got the wrong hitch on it. We have another hitch that raises it up.
Oh.
But that one's pretty darn low. Oh well.
Oh, you got that good foot. So we got the first test on the track going on behind me. Nathan got that RM out that we got running just the other day. See if he likes it. Bye bye, see you soon.